This tutorial will be showing you how to change page orientation in Microsoft Word Office. And I'm going to show you how to change from portrait to landscapes. And I'm going to open this particular report or document that I have here. And to change the orientation, you can see that currently it's in portrait format. And I want this to be in landscape. So all I need to do is to click on this layout tab right above here, and then I'll just click on orientation. So click orientation, and you can see that you have portrait and landscape. So I'm going to choose landscape. Now when you click that, you can see that the whole page is converted to a landscape format. So let me undo that. For example, if you want to have to change a specific page orientation, for example, this page 4, I only want this page 4 to be on landscape orientation. So all I need is to select the entire text in this particular page, and then I'll go to page layout, and then under the page setup, I'll click on this little icon here that will open up the page setup dialog. And then under the orientation, make sure that you select the margin tab, then click on the landscape, and then under the apply to here, you can see that whole document is selected. Now click on this arrow, and then select the selected text like so, and then click OK. And now you can see that it's only page 4 that has been the orientation has been changed to landscape. Now I can also select, for example, I can decide to choose this page from page 8 going forward to be a landscape. So I can change the orientation from page 8 to the last page to be landscape, and I can do that by going to this layout tab again, click on the page setup, click on that icon here to open the page setup icon, and then I can click on this. First of all, select the orientation to be landscape, and then apply to, you select this point forward like so, and click OK. Now you can see from this particular page going forward has been converted to landscape. So those are the simple methods that can use to convert or to change the orientation of a Word document. That's all, and see you in the next tutorial.